Updates to my garden. I had to take out the zucchini from over here from the bottom because they were choking each other, and then I tied some rope to hang them. So my parsley is growing again. This is my other zucchini hanging from there. My peppers are growing and they didn't die. I'm so happy. And this one is my zucchini squash and it looks good. And this one is my cucumber. And I tied them up on these ropes on the greenhouse. And this one is so long that I just hanged it from there. And I did hang it from the rope here. So this one is spaghetti heirloom squash. And the cucumber flower was choking this one. So that's why it's all like this. Hopefully it'll revive itself again. Then here, my tomato, look how cute. It's coming out nice and red. And then the other one is hidden right here. It's coming out. So this one is the Better Bush tomato. And this one is the San Marzano heirloom tomato. So there are two different types of tomatoes. That's why that one looks like that, coming out instead of round. So hopefully I'll have another one coming out from there and from the back there. This one I don't see any, but I do see one sprouting right there where the flower comes out. So hopefully that's a tomato. My leeks, this one looks better than this one. My romaine lettuce, I think they died because they didn't grow again. And my eggplant doesn't look that well. I think I have to water it some more. And this is my Seascape strawberries. And this is my Butter Crunch lettuce. It didn't grow back. I did cut them and I already ate them and they haven't grown back. So hopefully it will. These are my strawberry Ozark beauties. That's the name of it. And they're flourishing. And then over here my sweet basil didn't grow back. I was getting a lot of wild mushrooms out of here. I did poke them out. Hopefully it'll come back, my sweet basil. Because I already used them all. And the cilantro here, I think, dried up also. And then I put these flowers here because they were getting too much heat and it broke down, and I watered it and they revived. And this one was in my house and it was dying because we have the air conditioning on and it doesn't like the cold, so it shriveled up. Hopefully I could revive that. Nothing in my house survives. I feel bad for these plants. People give me flowers, they said this flower is the hardest to kill. Oh, I kill it. So that is it in my garden. So hopefully I can have some cucumbers and some squash soon. Hopefully. So let me know if you like this video. Oh, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any tips, please leave it down in the comments below. And thank you. Have a good night. Bye bye.